How I learn say purpose dey hide inside process. You don't ever dey inside struggle ask God, why this thing dey take so long? You don't ever feel say your life dey pause while others dey fast forward. You don't ever wonder if this pain get meaning at all or if not just punishment. My person, make I tell you how I learn say purpose dey hide inside process. That time I no understand them. Every day feel like repeat. Same stress, same prayer, same waiting. I think say God forget me, but I later know say God dey prepare me. The process wey tire you, na the same process wey shape you. Na there God dey remove pride. Na there him dey build patience. Na there him dey teach strength wey no dey shout. Gold no dey shine for ground, e must pass fire. Diamond no dey soft, e must face pressure. So if today you dey inside process, no curse am. Process no be delay, na design. God no dey waste pain, him dey recycle am to purpose. Every tear dey water your future. Every lesson dey sharpen your calling. Sometimes you go wish say God rush am, but if you rush am, you no go survive the blessing. So calm down. Trust the hand wey dey mold you. Because when purpose finally show face, you go thank God say e take time. Bible talk for Romans 8:28 say, all things dey work together for good for them wey love God. Even this process, yes, even this one. So rise again, endure again, pray again. This season no go waste. This process get meaning. Your story dey cook. Your testimony go explain wetin pain no fit talk. And when you finally stand for purpose ground, you go know say God no delay, him just dey prepare.
This na Greywood Whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.